Hello friends, welcome back. Today is a rainy day and today I thought of covering up about some indoor plants that will suit into small planters. So I will be explaining how to grow them and how to care for them as well in brief. So stay until the end that you will find out about interesting stuff, interesting plants which you can grow in small planters. Not that every plant you can put in small planters. There are particular plants you can put in small planters. Either it be plastic or it be any old coffee mugs. So now here I have put some Sansevieria plants in coffee mugs. I have couple of plants growing in them. Now you can see this one as well. And here's another one. So Sansevieria is an ideal idea for keeping indoors as an indoor plant because they are low maintenance, permanent, and also no need to regular water. So now when you keep these plants indoors, you will have to give them sunlight, provide them filtered sunlight. If you can keep them near a window, that will be okay. And these plants also grow in low light as well. So keep these beautiful snake plants indoors as an indoor plant. You can grow them with a single leaf cutting as well. So these are beautiful indoor plants which fit into small planters, ideal for beginners as well. No need to regular water. You can water them when the plant soil is dried out, or it depends on the country that you are living. If you are living in a place where there's a lot of humidity, then it depends on the place that you live in. And also see that these plants are not getting too much of dry soil as well. Do not let the plant to get withered by getting it too dry as well. So within certain intervals you can water them. So these are low maintenance, no need to fertilize also, no need to regular water. So one of the beginner gardeners plants. So these are beautiful and ideal. With or without holes, you can grow them in these coffee mugs. Next I have this beautiful spider plants growing in old ceramic mug. This is actually a ceramic kettle which is broken, so I have used it in gardening, and I have put a spider plant and I keep it indoors as an indoor plant because this is an air purifier. So here also I have another small planter, small coffee mug, and I have a spider plant growing in it. You can see how healthy it is. No need to water every day. These plants are air purifiers. You can grow them from runners. Very easy to propagate, and also they also prefer semi-shade. Don't keep them in the bright sunlight area. Once in a while you can take them outdoors to give them fresh air and sunlight. So these plants, when you keep indoors, no need to regular water. And these plants also doesn't seek much fertilizer as well, but the soil should be well draining. For all the plants I have taken 1/3 of garden soil, sand and cocoa peat. This is in a plastic container, friends. This is also a spider plant. You can see how healthy it is. So this is also another spider plant which I have put in a plastic container. Next beautiful plant is this dwarf syngonium. Syngonium plants also you can put in small planters. Now here I have the dwarf variety. It is so beautiful. Its variegated leaves are so tiny and also very attractive. So I love this plant, and I have put it in a broken coffee mug. You can see the handle is broken. So these planters are ideal, and these plants fit into these type of small planters. So this plant also loves the shade. They also love the well draining soil and the moistured soil. You can add cocoa peat in it. You can take garden soil, sand and cocoa peat. So water them once in a while when the top layer of the soil is dried, and see that the plant is hydrated, friends. When we say the top layer of the soil should be dry out, but don't let the complete soil to be dried. Even if you keep it indoors, give it a good shower in the morning so that the leaves will look so fresh and elegant. So those are the things you have to keep in mind when you grow indoor plants. And these plants also, once in a while, if you can take them outdoors, that will be really very helpful for their growth. This is another snake plant which I have put in a small plastic container. That also will do because they also doesn't seek much space, and they take a long time to produce pups. So this type of plastic containers also good for those snake plants. Another beautiful variety of syngonium. Look at the colors. So this also I have put in a small planter. I love this planter because it's a plastic one and it is a very small planter. So these plants also I love because another variety of Syngonium. They color your indoor garden very much. So you can have it as an indoor plant because they are so colorful. Next plant is this violet, flame violet, which produces flowers. They also fits into small planters. They are ideal hanging plants. They produces runners and also flowers. They are also low maintenance. Do not expose them to too much of water. Another beginner gardener's plant too. Next beautiful plant is this nerve plant, friends. That also fit into small planters. They also grow from small stems, loves the shade and do not go to overwater. Time to time watering will be enough because these plants also grow with very less water, and also these plants, if you keep them indoors, you will see with overwatering their roots will be damaged and soon you will damage the plant as well. So these plants also loves the semi-shade. And also friends, you can add some cocoa peat garden soil and also some sand in the soil mixture. So this is another suggestion for a small planter. This is a succulent, friends. This is beautiful Lakshmi Kamal plant. You can have it in a small planter. They are also succulents and also loves the semi-shade, and sometimes they can tolerate the bright indirect sunlight. So I have done a separate video for this. I do love this plant because of the elegance of this plant. They fit into small planters and you can multiply them with a small leaf. So I have done a separate video as well. You can watch it after this video. So you can see small sprouts. They are producing small pups. I can separate them and have many more plants. You can use some garden soil and perlite into this and add some sand, and it is advisable you use the succulent soil for these plants. Jade plant. Another plant fits into small planters. This is one of my coffee mug planters, old coffee mug. They also can be grown by stems. You can put them in garden soil and also it should be well draining. Add some sand and cocoa peat. The soil should be well draining, that is the main thing, and also do not overwater these beautiful jade plants. They also love the indirect bright sunlight. They can tolerate in the morning sunlight. Do not keep them as an indoor plant. This plant you will have to give lot of sunlight. Make sure that you have keep it in an area where they get the lot of sunlight because you have to expose it to sunlight for their growth. Next I have this wandering Jew plant. Look at their colors, so beautiful leaves. So these plants are ideal for hanging pots, or else you can keep them in the semi-shady area and put them in small planters. They also love the semi-shade and also do not overwater these plants. They are low maintenance and permanent, no need of fertilizer. So wandering Jew is a great idea for a small planter. These are beautiful pothos plants in small planters. They are also ideal for small planters. They also prefer the semi-shade. Beautiful indoor plants. You can keep them in the money corner if you know about Feng Shui. So this is a beautiful suggestion for small planters. You can keep them in the semi-shade, not in the bright sunlight. I have done many videos about growing pothos plants. So you can keep them also in the shady area of your garden if you are putting them outdoors. But these are beautiful indoor plants. You can grow them from stems in water and also no need of fertilizer. Time to time giving them a good mist spray will be really very great idea for these plants for their growth. Here I have a peperomia in a small planter. It is so tiny, so it is also another suggestion. You can grow them in small planters. Friends, this is a small cutting of philodendron. It's still growing. it caught up to the rain. And this also beautiful philodendron variety. I'll give you a close-up. So they are also fit into small planters. So with that, I wind up today my video. So hope you find it very useful. Today I cover up about the plants that grow in small planters, because as gardeners we love keeping small planters as well. They are ideal for indoor plants. So if you're new, consider to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, friends. Do not forget to give it a big like and share with your family and friends. See you soon with another video.